In this tutorial, we will be learning about the launcher in Ubuntu operating system. Well, this little bar on the left hand side is launcher, which has several icons on it. It works the same as taskbar in Windows and dock in Mac. By default, it has dash home, system settings, home folder, Firefox the web browser, LibreOffice tools, Ubuntu Software Center, Ubuntu One, Amazon application, Ubuntu One Music, Workspace Switcher, and Trash. This is very important and very handy tool. For example, if you want to browse the web, you just have to click this Firefox web browser. It will take some time to load and the application will be loaded just like this. So that is why it's called launcher, because it helps us to launch any application in our Ubuntu. Let's say we have opened one folder and we are navigating anywhere. Now if we want to minimize that, we will click on this minimize button and it will be there. As you can see, the icon of home folder have been changed. And when I click on that, we are back to downloads. So this is how we can save the state. If we are running on any application and we minimize that, it will go to the launcher, just as the taskbar in Windows. It helps us to keep up to date and it comes very handy and ease in access. If you want to unlock any item from here, just right click on that and you will find one option, unlock from launcher. As soon as you click on that, it will be gone. So as I close it, it's gone from here. Now if I want to go back to the home folder, I'll go there. As you can see, the icon has appeared, but when I close this, it is gone. To make it just right there and available whenever we want, again, when it is opened, right click on its icon at the launcher and find this lock to launcher. So when you close this, it remains there. You can also click and drag its position and make it upwards and downwards according to your needs. So this was a quick tutorial on launcher in Ubuntu. Thank you.